I'm so glad I fucking saw Chavez night. That's what I was getting at. I was tearing that fucking shit up.
So it's the end of the night. Tell them how you feel.
Oh shit. I see it in his head. Yeah. Got it tonight. Stole a bottle of pussy sake and it was nice. It was nice. And we still got a bottle of Jack, but Shane wants to be a little bitch and not drink it. And wants to buy a bottle of water to mix it with instead of dumbing out. I can smell pussy from. I can smell it from here. That is some good smelling pussy. No.
So we went to the club and he got a bottle of vagina sake, I guess, because it smells like vagina. And I'm coming home. Surprise, surprise. Jangles, anything to say?
It was a good motherfucking night. We're going motherfucking home in like 4 hours. If that.
Yeah, if that.
If that. We're going home soon.
Like fucking 3 hours. Fuck you
I'm gonna tear that shit up.
Hey, tell them about you punching a pussy.
Punching the what?
Punching bitches when you have sex.
Hell yeah. No, for real, like when you hit it from the back, go one, like you're going to do the Dougie, you just hit it, and you can either throw one in the thigh, just hit it, you hit it in the thigh, and you just straight pound it, grab the shoulder, just boom, punch him in the back, shit tightens up like, you just pull it out and you see that pink sock.
That's probably because she's scared.
You pull the pink sock. No, they like it because they come back. Like, I've never been fucked like, and I have been with you. Like, that's what I thought. Bitches love it.
And show the tat. Show the tat.
My tattoo?
Yeah.
My unfinished tattoo. It's not finished. But it's all good. It's all good.
What's that say on your back?
It says legacy because I have to plant my seed across the world because I'm the last one to carry on Phil A. Bomb. Motherfucking Phil A. Bomb planting the seed across the world. I'm Australian, bitch. Get it right. This shit right here, nigga, this shit right here is going to plant seeds. You dig?
Over and out, I gotta charge my camera.